Well, Kerry actress Jessie Buckley has made history by becoming the first Irish performer to receive the award for Best Actress at the BAFTAs in London tonight. She won for her performance in the film Hamnet. Also, Dublin animator Richard Baneham won his third BAFTA, this time for Avatar, Fire and Ash. Our arts and media correspondent Evelyn O'Rourke is there and joins us now. And Evelyn, it's a big night in London. Take us through how it's all playing out.
Jeepers, Ray, I have to say, a bit of a relief. We knew there were two hurdles this weekend for Jessie Buckley. So yes, she won the IFTAs on Friday night, and then here tonight I can confirm the show is still going out on TV, but we were a bit ahead of it in real life here, and I can confirm that Jessie Buckley did indeed get that BAFTA for her performance in Hamnet. So that's two done. There was a little bit of disappointment. Paul Mescal, of course, had been nominated in his supporting actor role. He was smiling away in the front row, but didn't win it in the end. But there was a nerve-wracking moment or two because, you know, one battle after another, that Paul Thomas Anderson film was doing very, very well, scooping up all around it. And then there was such an upset in the Best Leading Actor category. The winner of the Rising Star, about an hour before that, had been that young actor from I Swear, Robert Aramayo. And then, unbelievably, he also got the Best Leading Actor gong as well, beating the likes of Timothée Chalamet and Leonardo DiCaprio. So that made everybody a bit nervous about Jessie Buckley, but we shouldn't have been nervous. But the other person who started the night with the win, Richie Baneham, that wonderful Dubliner, part of the team that does the special visual effects for James Cameron, for Avatar, cutting edge technology here. Here's a little bit of Richie's speech up on stage as he started the night in style.
Film, by the very nature of it, is a collaborative art. We had more than 2,000 artists touch this movie, literally VFX artists. So I have to say, Gurramila Matagut to Jim Cameron, our visionary director. We have to thank the crew, our stage and lab in New Zealand and in LA. Weta Effects, who did the heavy lifting, amazing work. And ILM, who are the other part of our team. So shout out to all of the guys.
Well, we were delighted with the Gurramila Matagut. That got a little cheer in the press room as well. So as I said, Jessie Buckley has won. We're just waiting to get her reaction. But she did give a very emotional speech. She thanked all the other women in her category, also thanking Chloe Zhao, thanking Maggie O'Farrell, and talking about the power of the woman at the heart of this story, Agnes, that she plays in Hamnet, and how important it's been. I think her description was to bring the woman out of the shadows and put her right in the centre of the story beside Shakespeare. So the circus, the roadshow of Hamnet carries on, full steam ahead. 2 done, as I said, 3 to go. LA at the Oscars in March in a few weeks. I wonder if we'll all be able for it at this point. But very excited people here tonight, delighted with these wins here at the BAFTAs in London.
Fingers and all toes crossed. Evelyn, thank you.